If you need to recover access to your Shopify account due to reasons such as forgetting your login credentials or being logged out, you can follow these steps. Visit Shopify login page. Navigate to the Shopify login page using your web browser. Click Forgot. Below the login fields, click on the Forgot link. Enter your email. Input the email address associated with your Shopify account. Submit request. Click on the Submit or Send Instructions button. Shopify will then send you an email with instructions on how to recover your account. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Shopify with the subject line related to account recovery or password reset. Follow instructions. In the email, follow the instructions provided by Shopify. This may involve clicking on a link to reset your password or recover your account. Set new credentials. Once you follow the instructions, you'll typically be prompted to set a new password or verify your identity to regain access to your Shopify account. Login. After completing the recovery process and setting new credentials, log into your Shopify account using the newly created password or credentials.